Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream for eclairs. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 4 large egg yolks, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will also need a medium saucepan, a whisk, and a heat-proof bowl. This easy method ensures a perfectly smooth and rich cream every time. Begin by whisking your 4 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar in a heat-proof bowl until the mixture is pale yellow and slightly thickened. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of whole milk over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Gradually pour the hot milk into the egg yolk mixture in a slow, steady stream, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Pour the tempered egg and milk mixture back into the saucepan. Now, whisk in 1/4 cup of cornstarch until it is completely dissolved and there are no lumps. Continue to cook the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly with your whisk. The cream will gradually thicken, becoming very rich and pudding-like in consistency. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the cream is thick, remove it from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For an extra smooth texture, immediately pass the hot cream through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This removes any small lumps. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the cream to prevent a skin from forming. Chill the cream in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until completely cold and firm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.